What if you could launch your own business right from the comfort of your home and start seeing profits quickly? Imagine building something with minimal investment, but with the potential for massive returns. Well, I've got some incredible news for you. It's not just a dream. Today, I'm about to share 8 online business ideas that you can start today. These ideas have one thing in common. They don't require big budgets, fancy degrees, or a massive amount of experience. You don't even need to be a tech whiz. Sounds too good to be true? So are you ready to transform your skills into cash? Let's jump in. 1. AI content and workflow specialist. AI is completely transforming the way businesses run, and many small businesses are looking for help to make the most of it. But here's the thing. They often don't know how to implement AI tools to their advantage. This is where you come in. Picture this. You're setting up AI-powered systems for businesses. Things like automated customer support, AI-assisted content creation, or even building personalized email marketing funnels. These are all services that can save businesses time and money on labor costs. By automating these processes, businesses can improve efficiency and focus more on growth and innovation rather than manual tasks. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with AI. All you have to do is learn how to use the right tools, and you can offer these AI-powered solutions to businesses who desperately need them. Whether at a local store, a freelancer, or even an online brand, the demand for AI-driven workflows is only going to grow. Businesses are eager for these smart solutions, and as an AI content and workflow specialist, you're in the perfect position to step in and help them thrive. 2. Niche digital product marketplace. Imagine creating something digital that you can sell over and over again without worrying about inventory. That's the beauty of digital products. Instead of launching a general store, you can focus on a specific niche and create products that target a unique audience. For example, think about Notion dashboards for industries like real estate or Excel/Google Sheets trackers for managing personal finance or business inventory. Or maybe you could design 3D assets for the growing virtual reality and gaming industry. These products are low cost to create and can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. With a digital marketplace, you're not limited by physical space, and the opportunity for scaling is huge. The beauty of this business model is its scalability. Once your digital product is ready, you can sell it an unlimited number of times without lifting a finger. Plus, digital products never expire or go out of stock, meaning you can keep making money passively. 3. AI-enhanced video and podcast editing. The creator economy is booming, and with it comes a growing need for high-quality video and podcast content. But here's the problem. Creators are overwhelmed with a constant demand for short-form clips, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But here's where you can make a difference. You could start a business that uses AI tools to help creators edit their long-form videos and podcasts, turning them into short, highly engaging clips. These tools can save creators hours of editing, and you can add your unique flair to make the content stand out. And it doesn't end there. You can offer a human touch, a final edit that makes sure the video or podcast is polished and ready to grab attention. Tools like Descript and Adobe Podcast are great for the job, but adding your unique editing style can help creators stand out. This is the kind of service that creators would gladly pay for. As social media grows and content consumption increases, creators will always need a helping hand to keep up with the demand. 4. Niche paid newsletters and communities. In a world where AI-generated content is everywhere, people are starting to crave real, expert-led insights. That's where you can come in by offering niche-paid newsletters. Platforms like Substack and Patreon are growing in popularity because they allow creators to monetize their expertise in specific areas. You could offer in-depth analysis, valuable advice, or insights on a subject you're passionate about, whether it's fitness, technology, investing, or lifestyle. The key is to find a niche that people are willing to pay for. Subscribers want to feel like they're getting exclusive content, something that's thoughtful and hard to find elsewhere. As a niche newsletter creator, you can build a community of dedicated followers who value your unique perspective. These communities can interact, share ideas, and form deeper connections, helping you grow a loyal following. Plus, once you build a strong subscriber base, you can offer premium content and additional services to increase your income. 5. Microlearning and cohort courses. The days of sitting through hours of boring video lectures are over. Today, people are looking for quick, impactful learning experiences. This is where micro courses and cohort-based workshops come in. If you're good at a specific skill, whether it's AI prompting, digital marketing, or even content creation, you can create short, value-packed courses that deliver exactly what your audience needs in a short period of time. Micro courses are ideal for busy professionals who want to learn fast without committing to a lengthy course. By focusing on high-demand skills, you can offer courses that help people upskill quickly. Whether you're teaching a one-on-one live workshop or offering pre-recorded content that people can access anytime, the demand for focused learning is on the rise. Plus, cohort-based courses encourage group collaboration, creating a sense of community and accountability that drives higher engagement. 6. Specialized print-on-demand pod. Print-on-demand businesses are nothing new, but here's the secret to standing out. Specialize. Forget about selling generic shirts and mugs. Think about creating hyper-niche products that speak to a very specific audience. You could design minimalist desk accessories for remote architects, or even home decor for passionate pet lovers. With AI-generated designs, you can create unique products that cater to subcultures or specialized interests. The beauty of Pod is that you can reach niche markets that larger companies overlook, providing you with less competition. The great thing about Pod is that you don't have to worry about inventory. Products are only printed when someone orders them, so you don't have a risk of holding unsold stock. This makes it a low-risk, high-reward business model. Plus, once you create a few core designs, you can expand your product line without additional risk, allowing your business to grow steadily over time. 7. Micro e-commerce and dropshipping. Forget the idea of selling hundreds of different products. The trend today is about focusing on a few products that solve specific problems for your audience. Whether you're selling products for sleep optimization like mouth tape or weighted eye masks, or items for pet wellness like specialized pet feeders or supplements, niche e-commerce is on the rise. The more specific your product offering, the easier it is to target a dedicated audience. The great thing about dropshipping is that you don't have to deal with inventory. Once you find a supplier, you can set up your online store and start selling without worrying about shipping or handling. This model makes it easy to test products and scale without a huge upfront cost. With the right marketing strategy, you can grow your business quickly while keeping your overhead low. 8. Digital service arbitrage. Have you ever thought about scaling your freelancing business? If you have a skill like web design, SEO, or copywriting, you can start as a solo freelancer and then quickly pivot to an agency model. Here's the catch. Instead of doing all the work yourself, you act as a project manager while using AI tools and high-quality contractors to fulfill the work. This allows you to take on more clients and scale your business without increasing your workload. You're managing projects and outsourcing the labor, while AI helps streamline the process. This allows you to grow fast without sacrificing your time. As you grow, you can build a team of reliable contractors, allowing you to focus on managing the business while they handle the day-to-day tasks. This model is perfect for anyone who wants to expand their business without being overwhelmed by the workload. And there you have it, 8 online business ideas that you can start today. Whether you're interested in using AI to create workflow solutions or launching a niche digital product, these ideas offer huge potential for anyone looking to build an online business. The possibilities are endless, and the best time to start is right now. Which of these ideas caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can stay updated on all things business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.